All right, guys. So the first software that we will be using, it's a website called Flux Context app. Okay, and I want you to pay attention to the name of the app itself here. And if I want to sign up into this really, really great website, how do I do this? So first, I want to explore the pricing of what they've got. And they've got the basic, pro, and max, and they vary in the amount of renderings that you guys can do. So each rendering roughly takes 5 credits, and the basic gives you 100 renderings. This one gives you almost 250 renderings, and this one gives you 600 renderings, which is more than what you can imagine doing in 1 month. But I don't know, maybe for large corporates, they really need this amount of renderings per month. So you've got it right here. And of course, if you need more, you can contact them and get more. Or you've got the one time. And the one times gives you 200 credits, 600, and 2000 credits, and each for really decent prices as well. But you don't get the access to more advanced models and features. So if you want to log into this website or sign up, it should be straight forward. You have to, type your email and, choose a password, and then you're good to go. Select the payment plan, pay for whichever you want to get as a package, and proceed forward. So for us to be able to apply on our examples, we need to render with Flux. Of course, they give you 4 credits, but 4 credits is not enough to do anything because the minimum is 5. So that's what I recommend. I recommend subscribing to this website so we can proceed forward with our testing and our rendering edits.